Welcome, in front of me is HP Stream 14, and in this video I will show you how to check this device's manufacturing date. So you can detect your device manufacture date based on the serial number, and the serial number of your laptop can be found on the back cover of the device. So let me move the camera closer to you, to the laptop, not to you, I'm sorry. And here you can find the serial number of the laptop, which is 5CG40228ZV, and the fifth digit of the serial number is the last digit of the year when the laptop was made. So for me it's 0, which means that my laptop was made in 2020, and the following two digits, which in my case is 22, indicate the week of the when the laptop was made. So for me it's 22nd week of the 2020, which means that this device was manufactured in May 2020. And this way you can find your device's manufacture date. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.